Good morning, folks. It's another beautiful day on a beautiful island. So what are we doing today?
The Safari Island Adventure Tour. It's supposed to take us around the island to sightseeing, different animals, wildlife. You can also see like from the mountain up to down to the ocean, the beautiful view of the ocean.
All right.
Let's hopefully we see some bison. That's what this tour is supposed to take us, to be able to see some bison.
Sounds like gonna be a fun day, and we'll take you along with us. I guess there's a safari bus. That's the one we're gonna be getting on. Well, folks, we are on board a safari bus tour. So far,
It's just us.
just two of us. It must be a private tour. Where's everybody?
It's gonna be fun.
We were worried that we may not be able to get a spot on this safari tour this morning, because we were looking at the other company. They all were sold out. But this one, I don't know what happened.
It's a big bus.
It's a big bus, and there's only 2 people.
I guess they're waiting to see anybody else will show up. Otherwise, it'll be just us.
This might turn out to be a good
Private
tour after all.
Hi everybody, we are on a safari sightseeing tour and we have the entire bus to ourselves. This is so nice. It's the entire tour, more of a private tour actually.
Look at how big this bus is. Since it started at 9:30, I guess the rest of the people are still sleeping. Oh well, bad news. Some more people just show up, so we're not gonna have this whole bus ourselves after all. Yeah, I see them right there at the window. Oh my goodness. I say this is a rough ride. It's bouncing like crazy.
So we made it to the airport. It's called Airport in the Sky. This is airport that's 1,600 feet above sea level, I believe. Nice, huh?
Folks, this is the airport in the sky. This is probably one of the highest airport I've ever been to. It's beautiful.
Here's our safari ride right there. Here's our driver, our guide.
Oh, I can hear a plane. There's a plane that just landed.
Herd.
Bison?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Right down there. It's very rare that I see two herds.
There's another herd of bison. They're just grazing right here below the airport. Look at those bison.
Look at the bison.
They are beautiful animals. Uh-oh, they're chasing each other as well.
How many? There's like 20.
I counted 22, so there could be more on the other side of the ridge there. Wow. Yeah, big. Nice.
Oh, that's a zip line. That's part of the zip line. Wow. See? That's one of the zip lines. Oh, there you go. That's a zip line. We were going to do that, but I think...
That's one of their better guides down there. That's also where the zip line begins and ends. You do your orientation, gearing up, simulation down there.
White's Landing, folks. What a beautiful view. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, that's the Catalina Island Fox. Wow. Hi there.
What's the name of the restaurant we're at today? Atwater.
Blue Water Avalon.
Oh, Blue Water Avalon.
Right next to the beach.
Here is the beach. See how close we are?
When you had them?
The restaurant is right on the beach. So this big one.
I know, I'm sorry. This guy.
Vinegar.
You know why? I preempted it.
How is it?
Very good. It's not that salty. It's very creamy. Horseradish makes it really good.
All right.
Your turn, huh?
My turn. Oh, that's too much. It's too big.
You have to open up your mouth. Oh, is it good? It's really good, huh?
Hi folks, we are out kayaking for the afternoon after adventure this morning, and we're gonna try to get to the Frog Rock. Now I don't know what it looks like, but it says it's around here somewhere, so let's go check it out. That can't be it. Does it look like a frog to you? Yes, it does. Maybe it looks like a frog. It does look like a frog. That's it. Yeah, there is a frog rock. It does look like a frog now. From distance, up close, it just looked like a good old rock. Okay, keep going. Go out to the ocean a little bit more. Wow, that is something else. Look at those houses up there. There's a brand new one they're building right on the cliff on top of the hill. Way over there, straight ahead. It's not done yet. Those people went way out there.
Wow, look at those houses, condos.
Oh, it's not bad.
Mm-hmm. Whoa. Some people way out there. Whoa. Very nice, relaxing, huh? You can go around, huh?
Well, looks like there's a hidden beach here. Nobody here. So we're gonna park here for a little bit. Okay. Oh, the water feels so good. There's nobody here. I guess I'm gonna go in the water.
How is water? Tonight? It fell down. Water is so nice and clear. Stop at this rock and taking a little swim. This is so nice. The water is so clear and